Well, good morning and welcome to day 3, stage 2 of the ABSA Cape Epic. Another 80 plus kilometers of riding expected for the riders today after a brutal 88 kilometers yesterday. Really hard work for the riders yesterday. Had fun though. It was warm, but it was rideable, and the guys had a lot of fun out there. Lots of dust everywhere as well. I'm off to water point 1 today, which is called Oplas. First rider expected through at 7:56 a.m. Last rider at about 11 o'clock, so just after 11 o'clock. Let's go and do this. Let's go and see what's happening at water point 1. So en route to water point 1 for today, we came to the top of this mountain pass. This is a Ceres Valley down below, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. It's ridiculous how beautiful this place is.
Well done, Carl. Well done, Thomas. Wait, let's give them some supporters. They make their way in the UCI women's race. It's Nina Girard and Hayley Queen. Looking very sharp today, everybody. Yeah, well done. Just a reminder that it is approximately... They say that if you're the fastest riders, you don't get the best of
Hey, thank you for watching this YouTube video, and to all of you who've subscribed, thank you to you, and thank you for sharing the channel as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the button down below, click subscribe, and tell a friend while you're at it. Always striving to bring you some great content, and there's more to come.